Hi guys and welcome to Learn with Nia. Today I want to get real with you and talk about expectations versus reality when it comes to starting a YouTube channel. Especially if you're just starting out or if you're over 40 like me and just stepping into the world of content creation. So we've all seen the success stories, the viral videos, the content creators who get 1,000 subscribers in a week. But what's it actually like starting a YouTube channel? Well, that's what I'm going to share with you today. The good, the surprising, and the stuff no one really tells you about. So, expectation number 1. You'll grow fast. So, when I first started, I thought, well, I've got good content, I'm passionate, I'm helpful, and people will find me, right? Reality check. Growth is slow at the beginning, and that's totally normal. So, unless you have a big audience somewhere else, most of us start at 0. 0 subscribers, 0 viewers, and 0 clue what we are doing. But here's the thing, slow growth isn't failure, it's learning. And every single video you make helps you get better. And every viewer who sticks around matters. Expectation number 2. You'll know exactly what to film. Now, before I started, I thought I'd have loads of ideas and that I'd know exactly what I wanted to post. But once I sat down to film, blank. Brain fog. The reality is you might have lots of ideas, or you may have none at all. Some will flop, some will surprise you. You learn by doing. So my tip when it comes to ideas is to keep a notepad or a note app on your phone and jot down your ideas as they come along. And don't wait for the perfect video, just start creating. Expectation number 3. You will have loads of time to make videos. I thought, I'll just film in the evenings or maybe a bit at the weekend. Easy, yeah? Reality, life happens. Family, work, energy levels. Sometimes even finding a quiet hour to record seems impossible, especially with a 3-year-old and a dog running around the house. But it's okay. You don't need to post every single day. You just need to post consistently, whatever that looks like for you. 1 video a week is enough. Batch filming helps too. It's all about finding that rhythm that fits your life. And when I started, I committed to doing 2 videos a week because I thought, yes, I'll be able to do that, no problem. Reality is some weeks, that's okay. Other weeks, my child might be ill or I might have a lot on at work that week. And getting time to film your footage can be difficult when you've got a busy family and work life outside of YouTube. So set realistic goals and find a schedule that suits your life. Expectation number 4. Hands up if you thought your first video would be amazing. And oh no, you just watched it back. So the reality is your first videos are going to be awkward. You'll probably end up overthinking everything. Your lighting might be a bit off, or you'll totally forget what you wanted to say. But you know what? That's part of the process. Nobody starts perfect. Even your favourite YouTubers had cringy beginnings. They just didn't give up. So be proud of every single upload because each one of those is a step forward. Expectation number 5. It'll be easy to stay motivated. Well, I genuinely thought it would be easy to stay motivated on YouTube because I genuinely enjoy helping people and I'm a very creative person and I just love creating. So I thought, yes, of course I'll stay motivated. Of course I'll find it wonderful to do YouTube every single week and build that connection with an audience and I'll enjoy all of that. And of course I'll stay motivated, I thought. The reality is some days you do feel excited. When it comes to my filming little afternoon once a week, I get really excited and really motivated to film the content that I've prepared that week. But other days, when you look at your analytics and you look at your watch hours, you look at your views on each video, you think, is this really worth it? But you know what? The beautiful truth about it is that someone is watching, someone is learning from you, someone is being entertained by you, and someone needs to hear it from you. And the more you show up, the more confident and motivated you will become. So yes, the reality of YouTube is very different to what we expect, but it's also way more rewarding than I ever imagined. I feel that you can grow not just as a creator, but as a person by doing YouTube, because you build skills, confidence, and hopefully a lovely little community along the way. So keep going. Even if you come across hurdles, keep going, because it is worth it. The journey is worth it, and you will at some point reach that end goal, whatever that is, whether that's having 1,000 subscribers or having 1 million subscribers or getting monetized or whatever it is that your final goal is. You will get there one day, but it's important to enjoy the journey and appreciate the journey. And if you hit the hurdle, you will jump over it, and the run the other side will be much smoother. So I'd love to know, what's something that you expected from YouTube that hasn't turned out the way you thought? Let's chat in the comments. I'd love to hear from everyone. And remember, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. And remember, you've got this, so keep going, and I'll see you in the next one.